Welcome back to episode 2 of Corolla Cookin', where an adventurous outdoor explorer brings the adventure to a makeshift kitchen in a random forest. This is not your typical cooking show, as you will be dazzled with makeshift baking techniques, pop-up concert performances, loads of self-doubt complete with nervous laughter,
so good at this baking thing.
excessive padding of measuring cups to ensure that nothing is wasted in this kitchen. That is, except for the exploding flour.
It just flies everywhere.
We're glad to have you along for the ride as I attempt to navigate how to make cinnamon buns in the middle of nowhere.
I like how the bird waits till I start trying to record a video. There was no bird all day. Now there's a bird. Are you done? He's not done. Okay, I think he's done. All right, let's start this thing, and if we have any interruptions, you know who it was.
This outdoor kitchen is complete with a refrigerator. Well, really just a super cool cooler that I constantly slam my finger in. A food pantry, which is really just an old Christmas decoration storage bin from the 90s. And my kitchen supplies, which includes a whopping 1 pot and 1 spoon. And of course, the chef. I will let her actions speak for herself.
All right. I don't know about this one. I guess we should do the wet ingredients first. So we're gonna have to warm up our water again to activate the yeast. So I gotta set up my propane tank thingy. We'll get this going. And I know how much you all love to see me try to light a match, so I won't deprive you. Becoming a running joke of this channel, unfortunately. I'm gonna learn one of these days. Alright. Here goes nothing. First try! I'm a professional now. We need 3 tablespoons of butter. We got 1, 2, 3. Alright, yes, we'll dump this in here. And we're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of water. Oh, this. Perfect. Woo-hoo. So we have our warm water and butter melted, and then you kind of have to add everything in at once. You're supposed to do it separately, but I don't have 2 bowls, so we're going to do our 1 packet of yeast. Need to add our sugar. 2 cups of flour. A teaspoon of salt, but we're just gonna do a few spritz and hope for the best. And then 1 egg. Does this feel like a cooking channel yet? Oh, where'd I put my spoon? Alright. And stir and hope for the best. My arms are tired already. It's still a little bit sticky, as you can tell. So we're gonna add more flour. There we go. That's looking much better. I think it's looking pretty good. Time for kneading. You don't need to knead too much, so. Consistency feels really good with this. I'm surprised. Making dough outside. Also, I am a maniac with the flour when I'm in a house too. It just flies everywhere. I guess it's better when I cook outside. Probably got it all in my hair. I just showered too. Look at that. And who said you can't make cinnamon rolls outside? Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna drop it. Alright. There we go.
And now we rise.
We have to let this rest for 10 minutes. So what are we gonna do for 10 minutes? You guys come here often? Yeah, me too. We're gonna let the dough rest in the sun for 10 minutes, and I'm going to prepare the filling, which is cinnamon, sugar, and butter. All the good things in life in one pastry, all rolled up for you. And topped with cream cheese, another great thing. Lots of bees out today. I'm just gonna stir this with the knife. Don't try any of this at home, or outside, or wherever you live. I spill everything all the time. I have a problem. Anyone out there placing bets yet to see if this is gonna come out okay? If I was a betting woman. I don't know. It might turn out okay. This might be the longest 10 minutes of my life. Not to be dramatic. So, you guys like jazz? Timer just went off. This is not a drill, people. This did not puff up at all. They said it was supposed to puff up. See, it's not. We'll go for it. This is gonna get interesting. I don't have a rolling pin. We're gonna use wax paper as the base. Plop this right on there. In lieu of a rolling pin, I'm gonna use this water bottle. It worked. This actually works really well. Yeah, it's pretty rectangular. Good enough. Now we gotta add some butter. Now that we added our butter, we're gonna add the cinnamon sugar. Alright, we are ready to roll. Literally. Ready to roll. This is honestly my favorite part. Alright. Hope it's not gonna stick too bad. A little sticky. This is normally my favorite part. Now when you mess it up. Definitely should have used more flour. Not gonna be perfect, but hopefully it'll be edible. One job, Angie. Flour, the wax paper. Whew. Close enough.
That is our very sad looking cinnamon roll log.
It normally looks a lot more round and less sad and flat looking, but went outside. All right, now we gotta let these bad boys rise. Round 2. All right, now we wait. We have to wait an hour this time. Also added in a damp paper towel, so hopefully that does something good. All right, I'm getting impatient. Let's look. Just take a peek, a quick peek. They're rising. Guys, it's working. We got 15 minutes left, so I think it's time to make the frosting. I'm gonna do a cream cheese frosting. All right. Oh, jeez. This is gonna be bad. It's just gonna be an explosion of confectionery sugar.
It's getting there.
Gonna break a sweat. Alright, it's a little clumpy still, but I think this is as good as it's gonna get.
Smooth. Couple clumps.
It's been an hour already. I hardly noticed any wait time.
All right, everyone, moment of truth.
All right, I think we're good. This is looking pretty promising. Now for the baking part. All right, everyone, I guess the plan of attack is to just do a really low heat and hope it doesn't burn too much on the bottom and actually cooks all the way through. I guess I'll leave the lid on. Hope for the best. First try. Let's go. I did have it first try. The wind blew it out. All right, I guess we'll wait like 20 minutes or so. This has been really fun, baking pastries on the road. Makes it feel like homey, I guess. It's been a fun challenge too. I'm enjoying this so far. I think it's burning on the bottom.
See, it's cooked. Those are my fingers.
All right, I waited like 4 minutes. I can't wait anymore. It's time to try one. A little burnt.
Okay, this got mutilated by my fingers, so don't mind me.
All right, everyone, the moment of truth. Not bad. The bottom's a little dry, a little burnt, but the rest of it's really good. Okay. Probably a bad thing that I have 6 of those to eat. Well, now 5. That was really yummy though. I'm surprised it actually worked. Oh man, second episode a success. Should I do a third? Probably shouldn't have had that much sugar that close to bed. Whoops.